it's Brittany. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a returner, then what's up? So today we are going to start a little bit of a home vlog. I think I'm gonna call this Make This House a Home, and we'll just keep it going every time I have home related things, but I'm gonna do it in a vlog style. So that's what these videos will be. So if you want to see the things that are happening in my new home, then keep watching. So today is Wednesday and I have two things that are gonna happen today. So today I'm supposed to be getting my table and I'm also supposed to be getting my blinds installed, because baby, I've been here for, I guess this is week 2 or 3, I don't know. I've been here for a couple weeks now and I don't have any blinds, and it is nerve-wracking. So typically what I normally do at night is I do everything I need to do downstairs and then I go upstairs. And then in the bedroom I did put up like some little curtains and I just kind of draw them. They're sheer, but it's a little bit more. So I'm glad to be getting some blinds because I can hang out downstairs longer when it's nighttime and all that good stuff. So yeah. And then I went shopping on Saturday. So I'm gonna do a little mini haul with you guys. I'll share all the things that I got. So let me grab. All right, first up is Bath and Body Works. And what did I end up getting from there? Just basics, okay? I got 5 hand soaps because they were on sale. So the 5 scents that I got is Cozy Vanilla Almond, Beautiful Day. We also got Black Oak and Patchouli. And typically I am not a fan of patchouli, but this smelled really good. And then of course we got Mahogany Teakwood. And then last but not least, white t-shirt. I love the packaging on this. I tried to stick to like sleek packaging because this kind of matches my decor and all of that. The blue, not so much. And then I also got some room sprays. I got Endless Weekend as well as Into the Night, I think. Into the Night. I also got one more wall plug-in. Not that I needed it, but I like to have the one with the night light sensor on it because I like to put them like in my bathroom so I don't have to cut lights on at night. So I needed one for my bathroom upstairs, so I got that. Next up is Home Goods, and I'm gonna show you these things, but I don't want to unwrap the glass part because I'm not ready to put them out yet. But they are these 2 little like candle things, and so it comes with a glass piece that sits inside of here like this. I just don't want to unwrap this because it's glass. I'll try to insert a picture or a clip of it once it is unwrapped. I probably will unwrap it today when my table comes, but I thought that these were so cute. And y'all, this one was only $7.99 and this one was $12.99, and this one has the big glass thing that goes in there too. Super, super cute. I really love them. And then I also got a trash can for my upstairs bathroom and my room. The trash can that I had, I ended up putting it in the guest bathroom upstairs. So I ended up getting myself one. And this one is actually from Marshall's. And last but not least, I did pick up some clothes items. Some clothing. This was to be, okay, we're just gonna keep going. So I went to Old Navy. They were having a sale. I got this cute little blue, it's not really crop, which I'm glad about, but just like blue mock sleeveless shirt. I thought it was cute with some jeans. I got it in this blue color, and then I also got it in this tan color as well. I also got a white shirt, but I already took that upstairs because I thought I was gonna wear it. And then I also, or lastly, I got this little dress. It's more like a, I think it comes probably like right above my ankles, so like more of a maxi style. And this is the color of it. It's giving like this greenish gray. Oh, it's definitely not reading on camera, but it has some greenish gray undertones. You can kind of see like this is the color green that's in there. So yeah, that is all I got this past weekend. Y'all, my cousin bought me, first of all, I don't know if I talked about this anywhere, but my cousin surprised me on the day of closing, and she came down here, and I love her for that, so I'm so grateful. She gave me these flowers, and now they're dying, and they were so pretty. But it's time for me to get rid of those. So we're gonna do that this morning. I also got this really cute vase. Me and my mom and my cousin, we found it at, I think it was either Home Depot or Lowe's. I can't remember which one, but it's so cute. And so I decided to put flowers in that. Normally I just use like a little like cylinder type of vase, but this was really cute. So because I have this blue tape on the floor that I used to mark out like the sizing of my table that is getting delivered today. I'm gonna go ahead and rip that up off the floor, or take it up off the floor so the floor be ready when they come. All right, I got that tape up off the floor. I really love doing that for things because I need to visualize it, and like I'm not good with spacing of things. So I'll be like, oh yeah, that'll definitely fit, and then it doesn't. So I use blue painter's tape or whatever. It's not, well, it's painter's tape, and I would do that all over my house. Like in my previous home, I had these photos hanging above my bed, and I did that. And girl, when I say they were, the spacing in between them was immaculate. It was immaculate. But I like to do that. And yeah, so that is coming today. The blinds people should be here in about I'm gonna say, he said closer to 10, so I'm gonna say in the next 20 to 30 minutes. Hey, how are you? Yes.
Awesome. I'm just gonna start unloading them.
Okay, that's quick.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you?
Alright guys, we have some blinds, okay? They are beautiful. I chose like the thicker, I guess they might be called plantation blinds, I'm not sure, but I got those. So this is the kitchen. I'm gonna take you around so y'all can see all of them. They all look the same, but it gives the space something. So these are the kitchen blinds. We love it. And then of course we had to get the patio blinds, but these are really nice because they're called like a S blind. They're not just flat straight up and down. They have like this curve to them, so they lay a lot closer together. It's not so much gapping in between them. The other ones you will have a little more gapping, but I like that. That looks nice. And then I got him to leave me a few of the extra, which I'm low-key mad because he wasn't gonna leave me any of the extra like little blades for the blinds in case one break. And then I'm low-key mad because they took the box out and they threw it in the dumpster down the street. And so I only have a few, but hopefully I don't have any blinds getting broken. So this is for my bathroom window. This is for the kitchen window. I have 3 of those. I have 2 of these, one for each one of the bedrooms, and then my bedroom closet, as well as the actual longest window in my bedroom. So that's that. They also left this one because he was not able to install the one right there, so they gave him the wrong cut. And then we have, of course, one in the bathroom. That one is just a little tiny blind. It's so cute. This is the guest bedrooms. That looks really nice. As well as this is my little catch-all room for the time being. Looks good. That is the master bedroom. That looks really good. And then of course the closet looks nice as well. I am very pleased with how the blinds looked. It was money well spent. And if you are in the purchasing a house, and especially new construction, like, blinds do not come with your house, and that can be a costly expense depending on what type you get. I felt like I wanted to invest in the blinds that I got because they'll be here probably longer than I will. But yeah, so that's what we have. I really like that. Next up is our table delivery, so we'll see how that goes. And guys, the table is almost here. I'm gonna set y'all up, let them move their stuff in. We can see them set up everything, so yeah.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often.
Sorry guys, I know that's a lot, but I appreciate you guys so much. Alright y'all, so we have no table. That's crazy, but so they put the table together. The table, it looks so good. I was worried at first because the table has a little bit of texture on it, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not, because in store they didn't have it for me actually to view. They just showed me the collection and what the collection looked like, and so I knew it had texture. But anyways, they got it in here. As y'all saw, they turned it over. It was beautiful. Chef's kiss, love it. Thank God I walked around to check the table, and I looked at the leg, and one of the legs had a big chip off of it. I'll insert a picture if I haven't already done so. But yeah, that chip was just a no. It was really big, and yeah, so we weren't accepting the table. So the options that Ashley Home Store gave me was to accept it as is and get a discount, which it was to get a discount or store credit. Basically get a discount of $100 or a store credit of $200. No ma'am. But I paid a lot of money for that table, and I don't want a table that's defective, and to only give me $200 off, no thank you. So that was a no. So the option was to keep it and get a discount, return it and get a replacement or something else. Anyways, I love the table, so I'm returning it. I refused it, and then they took it back, and then someone will call me tomorrow to schedule a new delivery for the same table. So that is what we will do with that. I'm kind of bummed about that, y'all, because I really liked that table. I really like the table, but it is what it is. But the bar stools and the chairs will be here. I think the bar stools will be here on Saturday, and the chairs will be here on, I think, Monday. So anyways, I'm gonna have to try to set up another delivery for what is convenient for me. I'll probably get at y'all later because I do have a shelf that I want to put together today, and we also need to go to Home Depot because they sent the wrong size blinds for one of the windows. So we have a little bit of running around to do. So this is what home ownership looks like, or trying to like make this house a home looks like. Thankfully it's not anything big. These are all minor things that can be fixed, so I'm not stressed about it too much. So yeah, I also need to message my painter that's coming on Saturday. He's like my handyman, that's what he is. But I need to message him and ask him about potentially installing that TV, because what Best Buy want to charge me is crazy, and they have been dragging their feet when it comes to getting in contact with me. So I might as well just see if he can do it, and if he can, then I'll pay him to do it, since he's already coming on Saturday. But yeah, so I'm about to eat some lunch, and I'll get at you guys later. All right guys, so I went to Home Depot, or actually it was Lowe's. I went to Lowe's and got my situation straight with the blinds, and now we are about to put together this shelf thing that I have. So I'm about to get real transparent with y'all. This is the pantry, but it has also been used for the storage closet because there was a situation with the garage. Watch one of my, I don't know, it's in one of the other vlogs, I talked about it. They had to do something to the garage. Anyways, I couldn't use it. So this is where I've been storing all that stuff, but this needs to come out and we need to put that together. So I'm gonna do that now.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my